Join me for a quick yoga break with a deep yogi squat. Go ahead and find a standing pose. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, stretching over to one side. Inhale, coming up to standing. Exhale, stretching to the opposite side. Inhale, reaching the body up. Exhale, stretching to the opposite side again. Inhale, stand up straight, stretch up tall, and exhale, stretching to the opposite side. Bring the arms down. Go ahead and roll the shoulders back and around. And inhale, exhale, rolling towards the front. I'll turn around so you can see me. Just rolling the shoulders, warming up the shoulder blades. Then we'll roll the head around slowly, bringing the chin towards the chest, exhaling all the way back and around. Inhale one more time in this direction. Take the head back, exhale down towards the chest, and then switching directions, inhaling towards the opposite side, exhale down. Moving the neck mindfully. Breathing deeply and getting ready for our yogi squat. Inhale, reach the arms out wide. Exhale, sink the hips down. Of course, the feet are spread wide, chest up, palms together. Press the elbows to the insides of the knees and breathe deeply, holding, feeling sensation in the hips maybe. But enjoying this yogi squat, opening up the hips, connecting with the earth, breathing. Placing one hand down, and we can inhale, stretch over to one side, switching sides, give it a stretch. Thank you so much for joining me. Peace, love, namaste. See you next time. Please like and subscribe and share this video if you enjoyed.